Hey there! Unhappy with your current clarinet lessons and confused about what's on offer? Looking for a new way to improve and get the most from your lessons? At Clarinetistas Del Futuro, we have a tailor-made solution that's right for you. Our programs are unique and adapted to each student depending on your needs and level. With just 5 easy steps, you could be on your way to a brighter future. Step 1. Choose the program according to your ability and needs. Step 2. Choose your focus and the extra options. Step 3. Record a video of yourself playing and send it to us. Step 4. Receive your personalized written feedback. Step 5. Arrange your live private lesson to work on your feedback. These programs offer personalization and flexibility from the comfort of your own home, no matter where you live. See the difference for yourself. Clarinetistas Del Futuro have currently helped over 500 students with these programs to reach their goals and achieve their full potential. So what are you waiting for? Register now and start your journey today. See our website for full details at clarinetistasdelfuturo.com.